Zingy Parcel is the most wanted side dishes, especially by the kids from the time it made. It is zingy, tasty, spicy and puff pastry which is filled with delicious chicken filling and seasoned with lots of herbs. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simple Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. First, I'll make the filling. Take 1 teaspoon of butter into a pan. This one is salted butter. Now add 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. I'm frying them little. Add half teaspoon of crushed garlic. 2 medium-sized chopped onion. Saute them. Cook this for 2 minutes. Now add boneless chicken cubes. I have 200 grams of chicken cubes. Saute the chicken cubes with the veggies. Cook the chicken for 2 minutes more. Now add 1 teaspoon of oregano, followed by 1 teaspoon mixed herbs, half teaspoon of chilli flakes, salt to taste, and half teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients well with the veggies and the chicken. You can also add cheese if you like. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. If you want, you can add a little bit of Szechuan sauce. Give a mix. In the mixed herbs, I use basil, oregano, thyme, parsley, sea salt, chili flakes, and granule of garlic. Cook them for a minute or 2. Now time to add cubed bell peppers. I want to retain the crispiness of bell peppers, so I add them later. You can add them with the onions. Cook them for 2 minutes and set it aside to cool down. Now I am making the dough. Take 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, that is almost 300 grams. Into the flour, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Please follow the measurements of all the ingredients of the dough. Mix the dry ingredients nicely. Now add yogurt little by little. Make a soft dough. I'm not using any yeast to make this dough, so you don't need any yeast for this dough. Don't add any water to make this dough. If the dough seems dry, add more yogurt. I take 200 ml of yogurt to make this dough. Now you can see it's a sticky dough. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes more. If the dough gets too sticky, dust some flour and knead the dough well. After 8 minutes, add white oil little by little and knead the dough again for at least 10 minutes. Using oil into the dough helps to impede the migration of moisture from the sauce or the stuffing into the dough before and after baking. You have to be generous with the oil. You can see it's a very soft dough. Rest the dough for at least 2 hours. Now dust some flour on the surface. Now take a small dough to roll out. You can dust some wheat flour also. I'm using all-purpose flour. I'm covering the dough with the all-purpose flour. Press the dough with your fingertip to make it flatten. Now sprinkle more flour on the flattened dough. Take your rolling pin and roll it out. The flattened dough shouldn't be very thin. Once the dough has risen, roll out the dough, fold edges to form a triangle and then add the filling before clipping all the sides together to pack the parcel. Then just brush and bake in oven. You will get a wonderful smell from your oven. I'll first shape them into a triangle. So first fold the right side, then the left one, and lastly the bottom side. You can see it's perfectly triangle. Now apply some water on the edges to patch them. Tap with your fingertips. You also have to apply water to patch the inner edges to seal them well. Now add previously made chicken stuffings on the middle. Don't add much stuffings, otherwise you can't clip them. Now take one corner to the middle, then the other two corners and clip them well. Our cute little parcel is ready to bake. I'm showing you another one. It will help to do this easily. First, take the one side, now fold the other sides and make the triangle. Apply little water to seal it. These parcels have a beautiful golden crust on outside but pillowy soft inside. Perfect to try right now for your family and get them all excited. Fill the stuffings and clip it. Soft and light homemade bread rolls stuffed with zingy chicken filling. These parcels are light, soft, garlicky and so good. Give a twist on the top to help the three edges to hold together. Now place them on a baking tray. I place a butter paper on the tray. Brush some egg on this parcel. Egg wash imparts a pleasing color and shine to this parcel. It also acts as a natural adhesive. Now sprinkle mixed herbs on the top of each parcel. Egg wash will help the herbs to stick with the parcel also. I preheat the oven on 180 degrees for 10 minutes and bake them on 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Serve these hot right out of the oven, will just melt in mouth. These are impressive, fancy but so simple to make. Baked to a perfection and taste divine. Perfect accompaniment to your dinner or when you have gatherings with friends and relatives. After 30 minutes, our parcel are ready to come out from the oven. Just look at the color. My kitchen is filled with nice fragrance of this chicken parcel. As you can see, it's golden, crisp and also soft from inside. Now trust little melted butter on the top to give a gorgeous shiny look. It's basically the Indian version of the Italian pizza, just in shape it's like a pocket with yummy filling. Chicken Zingy Parcel is ready. Serve them with tomato ketchup or chipotle mayonnaise. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy the video. Please do like and subscribe and share our videos with your family and friends. Leave your comment in the comment section. Stay happy and safe. Thank you. Bye.